stage we're showcasing the AREX MTX system. This is training ammunition that can be shot from real firearms or from training gun like this. The upside is that you can train with your real firearms in a safe manner, and you can also do force on force. So with proper protection, you can shoot your body and train that way. But it's made in a way that you cannot load real ammunition, so an accident cannot happen. Here we have the AREX Delta, and there we have the bolt conversion kit for my personal AR. And we have a stage set up in a way that we are actually violating the 180. Shoot! Because it's relatively safe. If everyone has their protective glasses, you can even turn with the muzzle more than you would with normal firearms. So we made an interesting stage with a couple of dynamic stuff, and we're running it.
Wsadź pistolet tutaj. Schudłaś.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
I'm gonna lose it, like here
You need to get
Just at the leg.
yeah. You need to get more weight.
Oh,
I
sorry.
think you're too thin.
Oh, sorry.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm securing it.
Tie me up, daddy.
Women.
Okay, shooter, are you
I
ready?
have to.
Okay, fine.
What the fuck? It jammed
Drag
again.
the slide.
It jammed very badly. Yes, look.
Fuck! Damn Polish guys came here, break our guns. What the fuck? No, I think you're the issue, because like everyone before you.
Claudia, take it slowly. Take it slowly.
Okay, I will shoot slower.
Shooter, are you ready? Okay, stand by.
Oh, you didn't stick the. Oh, okay,
It's
no.
okay, I don't fucking care anymore. Stand by.
Oh no!
Okay, good. Unload. Show clear. Holster. Yes. Yes.
Yes! Woo!
Polenar Tactical, frate. One ide.
Lahko ide pa v bistvu tako klasično verzija, brez navora. Lahko slovenci ga pozdrav.
Čeprav, da res jak.
Na 800 metrov spravo.
Pozdravljeni na stage številka 2. Tukaj bomo streljali s Tippmannom, vsako tarčo, ustreli še en metek, narediš. To je to. Simple kapasov. Hello, so here we're using 22 long rifle, Tippmann rifle with MIM-Tech installed, UTG red dot and an ASB light. After they shoot 5 shots at the steel target, they run here. Here we have RIX 02 Tactical with a UTG red dot on and an MFT suppressor. This is still a prototype, they're not available yet. Slovenian product as well as a pistol. Simple drill, you have to take 3 shots, make a reload in 3 shots. Odlično, vse noter. Super. Very simple, but people are very competitive. Lukas,
A se to? Ja, mogu vidjeti proizvajalca.
Kamen za težko uporabo. Tako viče sklopi noter v tanke.
Rešetko deli, čakaj.
Da veš, ne tako. Ne, ti se pa une.
Nisem najbolj dobro štitičko.
On this stage I have 5 targets. The shooter has 6 rounds. So as fast as possible he needs to hit 5 targets with 6 shots. Right now the best time is around 4 seconds. Kapuši kurac, no! And it's not mine.
Are you having fun?
Very fun. Very fun, very Olympic. Very good.
Hi. We're doing great. We're doing some shooting. They say Samo stage sucks and this one is awesome, so keep up the good work.
What it is on this stage?
Oh, the stage is precision shooting at 25 meters. It's basically 5 shots in 30 seconds. Do your best.
With which gun?
Alpha Race by AREX. Highly pimped. Sexy.
Gospod Piršek v roki.
Ja, nego.
Še znate en RifleCX pocket set, da se boš spucal vse, kar je treba. Now in English. Matej won. RifleCX present, very good.